welcome to Mishi Arts, the world of craft. Today I'm going to show you an easy bookmark that you can make it within few minutes, and without wasting any time, let's get started. You'll be needing 2 contrast color yarn and you will be needing a hook. I'm using 2 mm hook over here, and you'll be needing a tapestry needle and a scissors. So let's get started. For the center of the flower, we are going to use the green color with the magic circle. We have to make 1 chain, and now we are going to make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 single crochets, and we are going to pull this and make a slip stitch into our very first stitch. Moving on, chain 1, we are going to make 2 single crochets in each of our stitch. This will make the total of 12 single crochets at the end of our round. 2 single crochets in every stitch. After making 2 single crochets in every stitch, we'll have a total of 12 stitches over here, and we are going to slip stitch and join our work like this. Now we are going to take our second color, that is orange, and we are going to start our petals. What you have to do, you simply have to join your yarn, pull the green one so that it gets tight, make 4 chains, and now you have to make triple crochets. Yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into the very next stitch, yarn over and draw through 2 loops, draw through 2, and the last draw through all the rest of the 2 loops. Remember, take this orange color tail along with your work so that it gets a neat and tidy look. Also the green one. Yarn over 2 times. You have to make 4 triple crochets into your stitch. Into the same stitch you have to make 4 triple crochets. I have made 3, and this is the 4th one. Now simply make 4 chains and slip stitch into the very next stitch like this. So our first petal is ready. In this way we are going to make rest of the 5 petals, and the total number of petals will be 6. Yarn over 2 times, and you have to make 4 triple crochets. After making 4 triple crochets, chain 4 and slip stitch into the very next stitch. So our second petal, this is not our second stitch. The very next stitch is over here. So we are going to slip stitch. In this way you are going to wear all the way around and make the petals. Let me complete the petals. I am pausing the video over here. Join me when you are on your last petal or when you have completed your last petal. Once you have completed your last pattern 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, what you have to do, you have to do a single crochet into the next stitch and then you have to make the number of chains. As long as you want your bookmark to be, you have to make the chains. As long as you want, you can make it, and that's all. You simply have to cut your yarn and fasten off your yarn. Now what you have to do is, you have to make it neat. So for the neatness, you simply have to cut all these yarns because these all are secured. As we went on to our work, we did secure them. So cut, but first what you have to do, you have to be careful that you have tightened your magic ring yarn. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. Do give thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel.